birds and the monkeys. Once upon a time, there were two groups of friends, the birds and the monkeys. They lived in the same forest, but they didn't get along very well. The monkeys were always trying to steal the birds' food, and the birds were always trying to peck the monkeys' eyes out. One day, they decided to build a big net to catch the monkeys. The next time the monkeys came to steal the birds' food, they got caught in the net. The birds were so happy that they had finally gotten revenge on the monkeys. The monkeys learned their lesson and never stole the birds' food again. Moral of the story: violence is never the answer. There are always better ways to resolve conflict.